What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on the C5Z project, see how far we can get, button up these loose ends. Alright guys, we got this brake duct in. Now I'm going to move on and get this wheel liner back in, get the wheel back on it with the new lug nuts. Then we'll get over the other side and get it finished up as well. Alright guys, brake ducts are in, finished up, new lug nuts. Been waiting a long time to see it like this, coming together like this. The other side. You might notice that these are painted to mimic carbon fiber. It's a painting technique I do from time to time. I'm going to do a tutorial eventually on how exactly I do my carbon fiber. There's a few videos out there how people do theirs. Everybody does it a little different. I'm going to do a video on how I do mine. But yeah, the black lug nuts definitely help clean it up. And the brake ducts look awesome. Couldn't be happier. Let's get on to the front. Get those lug nuts changed out so all the lug nuts are new. And see if we've got time to work on the new seat insulation today. Hey guys, I wanted to take a minute also and explain what I did with these brake ducts. They come apart in three pieces: the outer piece, which you see, and then the back part, which it's got the studs that come through it, and then the mesh that goes, it's sandwiched in between the two pieces. I popped all this apart and sanded the outer face, which is usually like a textured finish, and then high build primed it and sanded it smooth, and then, like I was saying earlier, did that custom that carbon fiber style paint on it. It's kind of hard to see sometimes. I'll try to get some pictures out in the sun with it once it's cleaned up, but these come apart pretty easy. They're just glued together. You can pop them apart and then paint the outside separate, and then I glued mine back together. They come apart pretty easy and go back together easier. I just wanted to clear that up in case I had any questions on how I did that.